Okay, hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new Class 66 Rocks Stobart review. So in this review we're continuing with the World of Stobart collection. So let's have a look at what we've got today then. So starting off, as you can see, we have the Certificate of Authenticity here. This basically certifies that the model accompanying this document is an authentic replica officially licensed and approved by Eddie Stobart. And as you can see, it is approved by Stobart Rail as well. Now, the particular model that we're going to be looking at today is this model just here. The name is Sammy Shammy. It's a MAN 4-wheel box van, and the fleet number is F1521. Now, if we just turn the certificate round to the back, we're not going to take too much notice about the guarantee to the customer, but I will let you just have a read of this description just here, as this is just a bit of information about the model that we're looking at today. Okay, so with the certificate out of the way, let's take a look at the model itself then. So, as we can see, it's presented in the World of Stobart collection box. But like I say, like I've mentioned in previous reviews, there's nothing overly special about the design on the box. So as you can see, it's a special edition collector's model. It's in 1/76 scale, and it is a die-cast metal model. So as you can see, we've got the World of Stobart design printed on the front and the sides of the box, etc. So if we just take a look at the bottom of the box now, we can see it is part of the Atlas Editions collection for Eddie Stobart. So you've just got a bit of information about the trademarks, etc. on the bottom of the box just there. So let's get the box open and have a look at it. So we'll just turn the box this way because the model's been placed in a different way round. Okay, so as you can see, it's presented on a nice display stand. Again, we've got the plastic casing just round the sides protecting the model, so let's just take these off. Okay, so first off, it is really lightweight. There's no weight to this particular model whatsoever, but taking a look at the side of the stand, you can see we've got the description here, which is MAN 4-wheel box van, Sammy Shammy, and the fleet number F1521. Okay, so as you can see, this is in the Stobart maintenance livery, but obviously the rail division also share the same colours. So let's start with the front. So I'll just zoom the camcorder in a bit there. Okay, so starting with the top of the rigid's roof, you can see we've got the foil with the word Stobart in blue. Moving down, you can see we've got the wing mirrors and the blind spot mirrors on the left and right hand sides. Now in the centre just here, I don't know whether the camcorder will let me see that. If you can just about see that name there, if I just bring the model into the viewfinder a bit further, it says Sammy Shammy. Now you really have to bring the model right the way in, because obviously it's in blue as well, but due to the light, the camcorder is making it hard to pick the name up, as when I'm looking at it over the top of the viewfinder screen, I can actually see it without having to zoom in or anything. So anyway, moving down, as you can see, we've got the MAN logo just on the black grille area just there. So as you can see, and as previously mentioned, it's in the Stobart maintenance livery or Stobart Rail, as they both share the same colour scheme as mentioned. So as you can see, we've got the headlights and the indicators on the bottom left and right hand sides, and the number plate for this particular vehicle is MV58DYM. So we'll just zoom out again. Okay, so let's move the model around to the other side now. So as you can see on this side, we've got the Stobart maintenance livery. So we'll just start with the passenger side first. So as you can see, we've got the stobartgroup.com website just above the passenger door just there. As you can see, we've got a silver Stobart S arrow just there, but it is actually only half of the arrow compared to some models which have the full arrow on. As you can see, we've got the Stobart S just there in blue, and on the bottom we have the fleet number F1521 and the name Sammy Shammy on the side of the passenger door. So I'll just zoom the camcorder out again as to not cause bad focus. Moving along now, so as you can see, it is a bit like a half curtain side and half box van. The curtain side of things is you've got painted trailer straps running just the short length of the rigid, and these are painted in black, as you can see. We've got the Stobart maintenance wording on the side. That's mainly in a dark shade of blue, but the Stobart letters have got a red outline around them as well. As you can see, it's a four-wheeled rigid, but as mentioned, this section here is where all the cleaning tools etc. are kept. Now I have seen this particular vehicle coming out of Hawley's Lane in Warrington. I think it was about a year and a half ago. It was the last Stobart video, well, the on location Stobart video that I uploaded, I think. I think it was back in 2015, but if you check that out you'll see this particular truck, in fact I'm sure it's in that video, coming out of the depot. So obviously this is used for cleaning duties, going around the various depots. I'm not too sure if they use it like for maybe washing trucks, but if you do know what its job role is, if I'm wrong, please leave your comments below. So let's turn the model round to the back now. So taking a look at the back, also on the roof before we get onto the back, there's these two what look like beacons on top here. Now I'm not entirely sure what these are for, but if you do know, please leave your comments below. So as you can see on the back, it's shaped more like a box van really on the back, or a box trailer, because obviously we don't have a curtain side design, and we have one of the doors that pull up and slide right round over the top. Now these are, well, the company I work for, when we have deliveries they just unlock this little latch down here to this side, and then the door just rolls up and folds under on itself. So as you can see, we've got the Stobart maintenance wording again just there, and the stobartgroup.com website. On the top there we've got the number plate a bit more clearly now. As you can see, it's MV58DYM, and on the bottom there we have the brakes, indicators and reversing lights on the left and right hand sides. So turning the model round to the other side now, so as you can see there's nothing much different on this side. Again, we've got the Stobart maintenance wording in blue with the red outline, as you can see. We've got some trailer straps printed very neatly in black running the length of the trailer. And moving along to the front again now, you can see again we've got the stobartgroup.com website above the driver's door, the silver Stobart S arrow, the cab wrap design which is in the blue livery, and the name again on the bottom of the driver's door, Sammy Shammy, and the fleet number F1521. So that is it basically. The MAN four-wheel box van in Stobart maintenance livery.